Welcome back to Clean Titans. I'm just outside of LA by LAX in Inglewood, California. There are a whole bunch of Tesla chargers here. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the parking lot of Campero. And then there's more chargers on the other side in the parking lot. There's a Costco next door and lots of eating options and lots of other options nearby. The Chase Bank across the street. Here's more Tesla chargers, 4 of them over here. So it's a busy place. You can come here, charge quickly, and then it's level 4 V4 Tesla superchargers. So it's a busy place. You can get something done while you're waiting. So a total of 8 chargers. There's a Subway nearby. Many other retail outlets. A busy shopping area. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends about Clean Titans. Watch our songs, documentaries, and long-form interviews where we interview people from around the world helping to clean up our future. And we've interviewed people from 25 countries, 6 continents. So the interview is so profound they can change the course of your life. Please consider supporting us on Buy Me a Coffee so we can continue to bring more of these videos to you. Thank you. And you can try the cuisine at campero. Just outside of LAX. If you can hear the planes going by and landing right above, very close.